Okay, in this video we're going to learn some new skills. Hip hip.
Hooray!
So we're going to practice squeezing. And you know what? I don't think we've ever used this honey before. So look at that. You want to pull that off for me, Beth? Can you pull this? Can you pull that off? Good job. And then put this cap back on. Nice. You want to open, once you get it all the way tight, open the top up. It's good. You want to open it up? There you go. What are these called? Do you remember? These are measuring cups, and this is a measuring spoon. It's a measuring spoon. Okay, so what you're going to do is squeeze the honey into this measuring spoon. Can you do that? Is it hard? Almost there. Maybe when something's hard, what could we do? Ask for help. Oh my gosh, I think we did it. Done. Alrighty. You want to put this in there? Good job, you Beth. Should we practice pouring some liquid? What do you think?
No.
Do you see a liquid over there? What is that?
Liquid.
What kind of liquid do you think that is?
Flour.
Is it olive oil? Or can you get that? You had it. You pull it up just like that. So what would you ask? Please?
Can you help me to
I can help you take off the top. Okay, are you ready to measure some liquid? Okay, so let's think about this first. You ready? Okay, you thinking? You think it's gonna come out fast? Yeah, so we should pour carefully, right? Maybe we'll even pour over this plate, just in case it spills. Wow, you're so careful. Good job, that's good. I think you got it. There we go. And a little bit dripped, but that's okay, right? You want to take this from me? Carefully, and put it in here. Good job. What does it smell like? Does it smell sweet? No. Does it smell savory? Mm-hmm.